So this is the restaurant app UI design, or you can say the food delivery app. So hello दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है देवेंद्र and today in this video I am going to show you how to design UI for restaurant app, or you can say food delivery app. If you want the food kit for this project, then you should visit our website AiaStore.shop, or else if you want to publish your Figma file, then you can do this as well. Just click on the publish now button and start your earning. So without any ado, let's start today's video. So first thing first, let me introduce myself. So I'm Devendra Koi, UI designer. If you want to connect with me on email, then here is my email ID devendrakoi41@gmail.com, or else if you want to connect with me on the Telegram, then here is my Telegram ID @devendrakoi41, or else if you want to connect me on the WhatsApp, then here is my WhatsApp number as well. If you want a free file for this project, then you will get this free file on my Figma community. The link of the Figma community profile is given in the description box. Or else if you want the premium file for this project where you will get 25 plus screen layout, then you need to visit our website, that is AiaStore.shop. So here you will get the Figma file for the restaurant app UI design, as well as you will get the various kind of UI design. So this is the user flow of the app. So if you want to read the user flow, then you can read inside the free UI design kit as well. So now I'm jumping to the user app design screen. So this is the user app design screen, and this is how the user app will look like. Let me give you the overview of the user app design. So this is the splash screen look like. This is the home screen. Okay, after adding to the cart, then this screen will look like something this, and this is the cart screen. Okay, and then later here's the mobile verification screen. This is the OTP verification screen. This is the location screen. This is after selecting location screen. Manual selection 2. This is the location selection. This is the payment mode, and then order will get placed, then status 1, then status 2, then status 3, then after delivery done, and rating, and then see reviews, then no rating, then side menu, then my favorite, then adding cart look like this, my order look like this. Oh my goodness, there are many screens are there, so that's why this will be worth it for you. So if you want, then you can purchase, and it's nothing cost. Okay, and then next screen is a my cart screen, my cart empty screen, not registered, terms and condition, maintenance, update, search no result. So this is how our user app design, and here is a delivery app design, something look like this. So this is a splash screen. Then delivery boy needs to log in themselves. They will get the OTP, and they will see all the orders on the home screen. If they want to search the order, then they can search order. If they selected the order, then this screen will look like this, and once they click on the I will deliver this order, then this screen then pop-up will be there. Once user click on the yes, then after selecting the yes, then this screen will get visible, and after this screen get visible, and if user want to mark, then this pop-up will get visible there. They need to enter the OTP code. Their user have the OTP, so that OTP user needs to share with the delivery boy, and delivery boy will enter that OTP over here, and this order will get verified, and then again the screen will get look like this, and then the home screen will look like this. Then if they want to see how much order have been placed, then here history order also there. And then next is the restaurant cook app design. So food is restaurant. This is a splash screen. This is a lock screen. This is a home screen. Here they will see all the orders they got, and here is the more information about that selected order. Then the next page is for the admin app design. Here I have been designed the application for the admin. So this is the splash screen, and after that the lock screen. Then they will see the home screen where they can see the total sale, pending orders, total users, switch maintenance, and update. So pending orders would be here. Pending orders, full details will be over here. If user click on this any of the order, then this screen will get visible, and if this screen is empty, then something like this will get looks like, and here will be the total sales. If user click on the sales, if they want to turn on the maintenance, then and they can turn into the on, then app update, and here is the search screen. Like then you will get the asset also. So this is the asset, and below that you will get the elements that I have been designed in this UI kit. This is a simple and very much an exclusive UI design kit for you. Let's understand how I done the UI design. This is how our splash screen look like. So this is the restaurant app. So that's why I've been selected this as a light theme. If you want to go with the dark theme, then I will suggest you don't do this. Okay, if you are creating the application for the video streaming application, then you should go with the dark theme. If you are creating the application for the education, for the food delivery application, for the restaurant application, then you should consider to go with the light theme. So that's why I've been selected the light theme, and the white background over here, red color as our primary color. Okay, and then this is how our screen is look like. So nothing. If I talk about the typography, then I have been selected the pop-in typography as usual. So this is how our home screen look like. So here I have been created the cheap view for the category, like the starter category, main course and desserts. And here is the search food here, and here I have been placed the add to cart. So before going ahead, let me give you one instant tip. The tip is that whenever you draw the prototype, then just draw the prototype that will be the convenient to the user. Okay, keep the important thing on the home screen, and if you are feeling this feature is not more important to the user, then try to remove that feature or else move that feature somewhere else, but don't keep. So here user need to add to cart button, okay, as well as user need to see the food. So that's why I've been keep this on the home screen. And here once user add to the cart, so instead of going to the cart and all the stuff, user can see the add to cart onto the home screen as well. And then if user click on the checkout button, then this screen will get look like. If user click on the cart, then this screen will get look like directly, and if user click on the checkout button, then this screen will get look like directly. Okay, so now let's have a look on the cart screen. So this is how our cart screen is look like. Okay, so here user can see the food items that have been added, and top of that user can see the count of the added cart product. And below that, if user want to give any message to the shape, then they can give over here, and if they add any message, then this will get visible over here. Below that, they can give the tip to the restaurant owner. Then here once they add the tip, then they will get the pop-up like thanks for adding the tip. And below that they will see the breakdown of the bill, and below that they can see the checkout. So here if you take a look, then I have been keep only important things on the cart screen. Once user click on the checkout, then this mobile verification screen will get visible. Here user will add the mobile number. So this is how I keep the simple mobile verification system. Okay, so here user need to enter their mobile verification system, and to give the instruction I have been keep the text on the top of the text box, that is provide mobile number for delivery, and below that I have been keep the button like the verify. And after user enter the mobile number, if they press the verify button, then this screen OTP verification screen will get visible. Here user will enter the OTP code, and if user don't get the OTP, then they can request the OTP again. And as usual, I have been given here the instruction, that is enter the OTP code below. Once user enter the OTP code, they can press the continue button. Once they press the continue button, then they need to enable their location if they not, or else you can ask this screen after the splash screen if user have not enabled their location yet. After clicking continue button, then location screen will get visible, and if they on their order at their location, so for that they need to enable their location. So that's why this screen is here. So they will click on the enable location, and they will enable the location, and we will face the address automatically, or else they will have the option like the manual selection of address. So here you can see I have been taken the two types of button, that is primary button and the secondary button, and I have been kept the enable location as a primary button, because if we get the exact location of the user, then this will be great. So that's why I have been considered the enable location as a primary button, and if they on the manual selection, they can go with the tertiary button. After user enable the location, then this address will get here, and if they want to continue, then they will click on the continue. Okay, if they click on the continue, then directly this payment mode screen will get visible, or else if they click on the manual selection of address, then the manual selection one screen will get visible. Here user will get the text box to search their location. Once user enter the location, then this screen will get visible, and here manual selection 3. Okay, and after user done the selection of the address where they are on the delivery, then the payment mode screen will get visible. There they will select the payment mode like the cash on delivery, card payment and digital wallet, and after user selecting the continue button, then the order has been placed screen will get visible. Here you can add the animation as well. Okay, and here I have been added the instructions. Keep in mind to adding the instruction, and below that I have been entered the order ID as well as the OTP code, and if they want to track their order, then they can click over here. So here you can see I have been selected the primary button and the tertiary button. Okay, so we don't want user to cancel their order, so that's why what I did, I have been bring down that cancel order in the tertiary button. Next thing is, if user click on the track order, then here the status 1 will get visible. So in the status 1 they will see your order is preparing. Okay, if they want to contact with the restaurant, then they can do this, and then in the status 2 they will see your order is out for delivery, delivery boy pick the order, then this screen will get visible. Here you can see I have been just keep the contact with delivery boy. I just created an application that will be the user oriented, or if their order is preparing, then user needs whose contact number. At that time of period, user will need the contact number of the restaurant, so that user can make the connection with the restaurant. If their status is out for delivery, then to whom they need to contact with, they need to contact with the delivery boy. So that's why I've been keep the contact to the delivery boy screen over here. If they want to track their order, then here you can add the button like track order. And if user click on the track order, or else if your order is out for delivery, and in the status tree they can see the tracking of their order, or else they can click on the track order and they can see this screen as well. Once delivery boy deliver the order, if he enter the OTP here, after delivery done, then here pop-up will get rate now. So here you can see I have been added the pop-up. So why I added this pop-up? If you take a look on the psychology of the customer, then customer select the product that have the better and good review. Okay, so that's why this is more important to ask the rating and the review from the user. So that's what I did. Once order get delivered, then I'm showing the pop-up to the user to rate the product. So if user click on the rate now, then this pop-up will get visible and they will add the rating, and after adding their rating, then this rating will get visible, as well as if user click on this 4.5 this card view, then this see reviews pop-up will get visible. And after that, if user don't have any review, pop-up will get visible. And the next thing is the side menu. This is the side menu screen I have been designed. So if you want to add the icons along with the text, then you can do this. I don't know why I have not added the icon over here, but I will suggest you to add the icon along with. Okay, so this is our side menu screen look like, and below that here is the version code also they can see. And then next is the my favorite screen. If user click on the my favorite option, then the my favorite screen will get visible, and here instead of add favorite, we will keep it favorite, my favorite. Okay, so this is how our my favorite screen will look like, and here they can see all the favorite they have been added. So this is a simple list that I have been designed, and then they can see their my order screen, the screen history of their order. And if the my order screen is empty, then they can see the screen like this, and the loading screen will look like this. And if my cart is empty, then your cart is empty screen will look like this. And this is the my profile screen look like this. If user click on the my profile, okay, over here, then this screen will get visible. Here user can upload their image, as well as here they can see their name, address, mobile number. If they want to update, then they can do this. If user not registered yet, then they can see this screen over here. So let me tell you, once user the application first time, then he directly see the home screen. Here we are not asking to log in them firstly. Okay, if user is new and if you open the application, then he directly redirect into the home screen. Here we are not asking them to register firstly. And here is the terms and conditions screen, here is the maintenance screen, here is the update screen, and here is the search screen, and this is the search no result found. And if you go to delivery boy screen, then here I have been added the screen something like this. The rest of the screen design is very simple. So this splash screen I have been already shared with you. This is a login mobile number, OTP verification. So here I have been keep the simple list for the delivery boy app. This restaurant cook app design, here I have been created a lock screen something look like this, and I have been created the virtual keywords for the lock screen. And then here is the admin app, nothing special to share here as well. And then next is the asset. Okay, so here is a logo of all the application. Here is the 4 application you are getting, and below is the element. This is how our restaurant app UI design look like. This is the overview of restaurant app UI design. If you wanted to know more UI design tips for the YouTube app UI design, then here you will get the video. If you feel this video valuable, then please hit the like button, as well as subscribe to the channel for more video. Till then, be happy, keep designing.
I don't wanna ask, yeah.